Hello everyone, myself Taylor Vibhuti. I am studying in Family Third Year and I am a student of Maliba Pharmacy College. Today I am going to present on the topic streptokinase. So move forward with the history of streptokinase. Streptokinase was discovered in 1933 from beta hemolytic streptococci. It is on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines. Essential medicines, that means a list of the most important medication needed in a basic health system. After many years of work, along with his student Saul Seri, William Smith Tillett discovered streptokinase in 1933. These are the picture of Dr. William Smith Tillett and Dr. Saul Seri. Move forward with introduction of the streptokinase. Streptokinase is a prescription medicine used to treat the symptoms of acute myocardial infarction. Streptokinase may be used alone or with other medications. Streptokinase belongs to a class of drugs called thrombolytic agents. It is not known if streptokinase is safe and effective in children. So, we can't use in the children's. It is a single chain polypeptide. Molecular weight is 47 kilodalton, available in white powder form, soluble in water, and possesses maximum activity at pH 7.5. Class or category of the streptokinase. Thrombolytic agents or antithrombin family of medication. Source of streptokinase. Streptokinase is a single chain coenzyme obtained from cultures of the group C beta strain of Streptococcus hemolyticus. It is produced by fermentation process by using streptococcal culture, and it is isolated from the culture filtrate. It is produced in a form of a lyophilized powder in sterile vial. Brand name Streptase, Iskinase and Cardiostrep. Therapeutic uses of streptokinase used in the treatment of acute myocardial infarction, deep venous thrombosis, acute massive pulmonary embolism, acute arterial thrombosis and embolism, and clotting in hemodialysis shunts. These are the pictures of pulmonary embolism and deep vein thrombosis in the leg. Mechanism of action. Step 1. It acts directly by forming plasminogen streptokinase complex, and this complex is called as activator complex. Thus conformational change take place in plasminogen and expose an active site. Step 2. Active site catalyzes the activation of inactive plasminogen to plasmin. Step 3. Plasmin degrades fibrin clots as well as fibrinogen and other plasma proteins. So first of all, streptokinase binds with plasminogen and make a complex, and that complex is called as activator complex, streptokinase plasminogen complex. This complex catalyzes with active site and converts inactive plasminogen to active plasmin. After that, this active plasmin is active plasmin give its proteolytic activity and degrades fibrin clots. Pharmacological action. Converts plasminogen to the enzyme plasmin, which aids in dissolution of blood clots. Plasma half-life of streptokinase is 23 minutes. Metabolized proteolytically in liver and eliminated via kidneys. Volume of distribution 1.10 plus or minus 0.71 liter. Total clearance 10.8 plus or minus 8.8 ml per minute. It produces hyperfibrinolytic effect which decreases plasma fibrinogen levels for 24 to 36 hours. A prolonged thrombin time may persist for up to 24 hours due to the decrease in plasma level of fibrinogen. Side effects or adverse effects. CNS side effects: headache, intracranial hemorrhage. Cardiovascular side effects: hypotension and arrhythmias. GI side effects: nausea, vomiting, and GI hemorrhage. Genitourinary side effects: hematuria. Hematologic side effects: anemia, bleeding tendency. Musculoskeletal side effects: musculoskeletal pain. Respiratory side effects: minor breathing difficulties and bronchospasm and apnea. Skin side effects: urticaria, itching, and flushing. Other side effects: bleeding at injection site, delayed hypersensitivity reaction, and rarely anaphylaxis reaction. Antidotes for streptokinase. First is aminocaproic acid, second aprotinine, and third tranexamic acid. Dose of the streptokinase for myocardial infarction: 7.5 to 15 lakh international unit over 1 hour by intravenous route. For deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism, 2.5 lakh international unit loading dose over half to 1 hour followed by 1 lakh international unit per hour for 24 hours. Route of administration: streptokinase is given by two routes. First is IV intravenous route and second is intracoronary route. Contraindications. Contraindicated in patient with: first, who had a recent trauma or surgery. Second, coagulation defects. Third, history of cerebrovascular disease. Fourth, heavy vaginal bleeding. Fifth, peptic ulceration. Sixth, severe hypertension. Seventh, severe liver disease. Eighth, previous severe allergic reaction to streptokinase or streptokinase containing products. Ninth, increased risk of hemorrhage in patients who have receiving or who have recently been treated with anticoagulants or antiplatelet drugs. Because all these contraindications, because of they increase the risk of bleeding tendency in the patient. And after that, last, should not be given to patients who have had a recent streptococcal infection because they may develop antibodies against streptokinase. Drug-drug interaction with following medicines: anticoagulants, aspirin, dipyridamole, indomethacin, phenylbutazone. These drugs increased risk of bleeding while taking with streptokinase. Patient monitoring. Monitor vital signs and neurologic status carefully after giving test dose and throughout therapy. Watch for signs and symptoms of hypersensitivity reaction. Stop the drug if this occurs. Check for bleeding every 15 minutes for first hour, every 30 minutes for next 7 hours, and then every 4 hours. Stop therapy as contact prescriber immediately if excessive bleeding occurs. Assess neurologic status closely. Watch for indications of intracranial bleeding. Monitor pulse rate every hour. Also monitor distal circulation. Monitor PTT, PT, plasma thrombin time, hemoglobin, hematocrit, and platelet count. Avoid giving intramuscular injection during therapy. Patient counseling is not needed because the streptokinase is given by intravenous route. So this medication is not taken by the patient. Quiz. First question, streptokinase is a dash. Option A, naturally occurring plasminogen activator in human plasma. Streptokinase is naturally occurring plasminogen but not from human plasma. Synthetic plasminogen activator obtained from chemical synthesis. Streptokinase is not obtained from chemical synthesis. And after that, naturally occurring plasminogen activation in beta hemolytic streptococcus. So, correct answer is D. Second question, which is the following is not used as antidote of streptokinase? Option A, aminocaproic acid. Option B, aprotinine, and option C, acetaminophen, and option D, tranexamic acid. As we seen before, these three, option A, B, and D, are the antidotes for streptokinase. So correct answer is option C, acetaminophen. Question number 3. Streptokinase is contraindicated with which drug? Option A, metformin. Option B, paracetamol. Option C, warfarin. And option D, atenolol. Streptokinase is contraindicated with anticoagulants and the warfarin is anticoagulant drug. That's why correct answer is option C, warfarin. Question number 4. Absolute contraindication to thrombolytic therapy is option A, pregnancy. Option B, history of hemorrhagic stroke in past 1 year. Option C, patients on nitrates. And option D, hypertension. Option A, B, and C are the relative contraindications. So correct answer is option D, hypertension. Question number 5. Streptokinase is obtained from dash. Option A, group C beta strain of Streptococcus hemolyticus. Option B, Streptococcus hemolyticus. Option C, Clostridium novii. Option D, Clostridium tetani. So correct answer is option A, group C beta strain of Streptococcus hemolyticus. Thank you.